Hello, Nari McDinard here with you at Future of Mining Australia, and it's great to be speaking with Glenn Stieper, Director of Growth and Solutions with Glencore Technology. And Glenn, you've come over from Brisbane for this event. Why were you interested in attending Future of Mining?
I think recently we've had a lot of successes with our technology. I mean, we're a global company and we have our technologies are very global. But some of the recent achievements into iron ore, which is obviously very applicable to the Western Australian mining industry, but also our technology itself offers a lot of benefits, I think, for a lot of miners that may be struggling to try and get things across the line. So we have a lot of benefits, which, we'd love to share with a number of companies. And I think people will find it quite interesting about some of the solutions that we offer for the industry.
Well, Glenn, speaking of the solutions and the technology, you'll be speaking about the concentrator of the future. But for anyone unable to attend, what's the key messages you'd like to convey?
So the technology that we're sort of referring to is based around the Jameson Cell. So there's a lot of Jameson Cells have been around for 4 decades sort of in the industry. So well proven. The Jameson Concentrator is a collective of all these technologies brought together. And obviously offers a lot of benefits, but it's really around overcoming a lot of the challenges that I mentioned before. Rising capital, the cost of financing things is very expensive, energy pricing, diminishing head grades in terms of ore bodies. So in order to get the same amount of metal, they need to put more tonnages. More tonnages means bigger plants, more water, a lot of more challenges that mining companies have to face. Also, ESG, there's a lot of more regulation that's now becoming across that will sort of becoming more mandatory as opposed to just sort of optional for a lot of companies. So the headwinds are pretty strong. Our technology, we believe, tackles a lot of those challenges, which is why we're pretty excited to come over here and talk about them and share it with the people over in Western Australia. So it's great.
Well, speaking of meeting people, how are you finding the event so far, Glenn?
It's great. Look, the facilities are fantastic. No complaints. Food's great. Company's great. So no, it's been a great experience so far. So very good.
Thank you very much for your time, Glenn. Appreciate it.
Thank you very much. Thank you.